Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be in partnership with Loungewear, which is a brand I've loved for years. Every time I would go on their website, I would want to buy everything. They have lingerie, they have really comfy underwear, they also have some loungewear. They have pajamas, which I'm actually wearing one right now. They also have swimwear, which I've never tried. I don't have any in this video, but yeah, I actually have some really cute stuff to share with you. And this video is actually to celebrate their 4-year anniversary. So they're having a huge sale right now on their website. It's site-wide. If you've ever wanted to buy some stuff on loungewear but just weren't sure, because the price is a little up there, I think it's very reasonable though, because the quality is actually really good. Everything that I got is very good quality, and so I think it's totally worth the price. But if you were on the fence, now is the perfect time to actually try the brand, see what styles fit the best on you. So yeah, they're having a huge sale. I would for sure take advantage of that sale. And yeah, I'm really excited to share with you everything that I got. I'll leave the website down below. I will also leave all the links and my size just to help you a little bit, because ordering online can be tricky sometimes, but everything fits me, which I'm really happy. Okay, let's get started with actually what I'm wearing. So it's actually like a really nice pajama. I think this is actually one of their newer pieces, and this is honestly like the softest PJ I have. I'm not wearing the pants because I wanted to be able to show you. I believe they also have these in white, but I really love this really pretty pink color. So I actually got the long pants, but you can also get the shorts. But yeah, these are really nice. There's also some pockets. I got these in a size small. Fits really well. You can wear them. I wear them a little more high-waisted just because I'm more comfortable like that, but you can wear them like mid-rise, low-rise, high-rise, however you want. And yeah, I really like these. The top also fits really nice. It's very like soft and silky, but it doesn't cling to your body, which is quite nice. And yeah, this is very comfortable. I've actually been wearing this all day because pretty much everybody is just at home right now, and so yeah, I've been wearing this PJ all day and it was really comfortable. So this is probably like my favorite piece that I got, just because I know I really like cute PJs. They make me really happy, and so yeah, this is probably my favorite piece. It's really nice, fits really well. I also got the top in a small, and I'm really happy with the size. If you were wondering, everything was packaged really nicely in these little bags. You can actually, I'm pretty sure you can like keep these just if you're traveling and you kind of want to have something to store your stuff in. That could be a great idea. Okay, and then I just had to get one of these loungewear sets. I feel like these are all over Instagram. They have different colors as well. I also really like their green color. I think they have a cream or white. But yeah, I just got the black. So this is the bra. I tried it on already and I really like it. The material is like really nice. Got this in a medium, and I do like to wear my own bra underneath. So that's why I got a medium. I could even go up to a size large. I would have it would just maybe be a bit longer on me. It's more of a bra. It's not really like a crop top, just so you know. So yeah, it's really nice, good quality. And then the leggings, I haven't had the chance to try them on yet because I got this order pretty recently, but I will try them on for the video. But I also got these, yeah, I also got these in a medium. I really like the really thick waistband, and the leggings seem pretty thick, but these are just going to be great to wear at home. I really like how thick and soft they are. I'm really happy with this set as well. The quality is really nice. Okay, so I really wish I could show you the pants. I tried them on. They really did not fit. They were very small. It felt like I was trying to put on a pair of extra small pants. So usually, as I said, I got a medium, but usually I'm a size 4 in Lululemon. So I really thought the medium was gonna fit, but it's way too small. And then the bra, as you can see, I'm trying not to show you too much. I've been eating way too much since this quarantine. But yeah, this bra, I could have went with a large. As I said, I am wearing my own bra underneath, and so it fits pretty snug. Obviously, if you're not wearing a bra underneath, it's gonna fit differently. This is what it looks like. I really like it. I think the quality is like really good. It's a really cute bra, but I would say for this set, definitely don't be afraid to size up, because everything else fits me perfectly. It's just this set. Okay, now moving on to the underwear. So if you're looking for like really cute matching bras and underwear, you for sure have to go on Loungewear. Everything is super cute. They have some more like casual pieces, but they have like some really fancy lingerie, They have really cute stuff. Now personally, when I wear clothes, I like a push-up bra because I have pretty small boobs, and so I just prefer some padding. unless I get a boob job, which, you know, maybe I will probably get one eventually. But so all of these bras that I got are like really pretty, but they're not really gonna be for my everyday life when I wear clothes, you know what I mean? So I'm still gonna wear these, just not when I wear clothes. So yeah, but if you're looking for like really cute sets, you need to go on there. So the first one, I really like this one because it's red. So this is what the bra looks like. So it's all mesh, and they also have different colors for these, and it actually fits really nice. And I don't know how they made these, but it actually gives you a bit of a lift. There's no wire, no padding, nothing, but it actually gives you a bit of a lift. So this is the back, and there's no hooks at the back, but this is like really stretchy and comfortable. It's actually really soft too, but you can adjust these straps. And I got this in a size small, and it actually fits well. I was worried because, as I said, I don't have big boobs, so I was afraid it would be too big, but it actually fits quite nice. So I got this, and then I got the matching underwear, and I got these in a medium. So this is what they look like. Again, it's all mesh, which I think is really cute. And what I like about these is they're actually high-waisted. I don't know about you, but I find thongs, I actually stopped wearing them recently because they were just too uncomfortable. Every time I would go shopping to like regular stores, all the thongs would be like low-rise, which is really uncomfortable. But these are actually high-waisted, so it's way more comfortable, so I can actually wear these. So yeah, I really like this, and it's just like really cute, like a really cute set, and I love the color. So yeah, this is called the mesh triangle, and obviously with the matching underwear. Okay, now I think this is my favorite set. I mean, it's probably, yeah, my favorite set. So this bra is the prettiest thing ever that I've ever seen. So this is what it looks like. It's all lacy. It's really pretty. It's like the prettiest bra I own. It's actually, it would actually match the it would match the, what's it called, the pajama pretty well. This one actually has wires, so this one, even though it's all lacy, it actually gives you a good lift. So this actually is probably the bra that fits me the best. It's really nice. I really like it. And this one has hooks at the back, and I got this in my regular size, so I got a 34B, and usually my 34B bras are like really padded, so I was a little worried, but it actually fits really. And yeah, you can also adjust the straps. And yeah, I really like also there's like a natted like mesh on the inside, like right here. So I don't know, it's like really pretty. Yeah, this one is really nice, and it's super comfortable. And then I also have the matching thongs. Now these, as you can see, are pretty high-waisted. I feel like these are more high-waisted than the previous ones. And this is again in a size medium, but yeah, it also has the really nice lace. Yeah, this is like a really nice set. It's really good quality, and yeah, this is really pretty. For sure my favorite. Okay, and then lastly, this is probably like it's for sure another one of my favorite sets. This one is very comfortable, and I also really like the color. I think this is also one of their new items. So these are probably like the most comfortable thongs ever. I haven't worn them yet, but I tried them on. These are again in a medium, and the material is so comfortable. These I believe are all cotton, so super, well, 95% cotton, 5% elastan. So it's very comfortable, and I think I'm actually gonna order just a few of these thongs in different colors because these are really comfortable. So it looks like that. Here's the back, and then the matching bra. Now, as I said, if I had a boob job, this would be my everyday bra. This is so comfortable, it's so nice, and they also have these in a bunch of different colors. And again, for some reason, it kind of gives you a lift, so I can only imagine if you have more, it's for sure going to give you like a nice lift because of the band at the bottom and the way the cups are made. I feel like it looks really nice. And this one, again, no hooks, but you can adjust these straps. So yeah, this one is also like really pretty. I really like this one. So yeah, this is actually everything that I got. Now my favorite things, as I said, for sure this PJ, I'm gonna be wearing this so much. And because this is like so pretty and it actually fits really well, like I've never found a lacy bra that fits this well. This is like my favorite set. but everything that I got is like really nice, and I'm very impressed with the quality. This is not cheap stuff. It's really good. And so if you've never tried loungewear, I for sure recommend. It's for sure worth it. And yeah, for sure check the website often. They have new releases quite often. They release new colors. So yeah, thank you so much, Loungewear, for partnering with me on this video. So yeah, if you have any questions about sizing or anything like that, as I said, I'm usually a 34B and all of these bras fit me really well. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed yet, I really hope you do. I make makeup tutorials, hair videos, perfume videos, vlogs, all of that. So if you want to subscribe, I would love to have you here. You can also follow me on Instagram at Zadori. And yeah, thank you so much once again for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in a new one. Bye!